Austin, how's it going?
I'm good. How are you?
Pretty good, pretty good. So you're going skydiving today?
Yep.
Excellent. Are you nervous?
A little.
A little nervous?
Yeah.
Any specific reason why you're deciding to go skydiving today?
Today's my 18th birthday.
Well, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Excellent. So go ahead and tell me about what they put you in here.
This is, I guess, the harness for tandem. Yeah.
Cool. And you got your helmet over here, your goggles.
Yeah.
Excellent, good stuff. And we're gonna go how high?
15,000 feet, I think. No.
12,500. Yeah. And how fast are we gonna fall?
125 miles an hour, right?
120 or 125? About 120, yeah. Terminal velocity, excellent. You fully committed for this?
Yes.
I like that. Well, happy birthday, and I'll see you in the airplane.
Thank you.
You betcha.
This way a little bit so we're facing the propeller. I'm going to pull your head back so you can look at the propeller. And I'm going to say, you're wearing two different socks. Anyway, I'm going to say, are you ready to go skydiving, Austin?
Yes.
All right, keep the head back. We're going to go ready, set, and then go. Step out and arch. Boom. Push that pelvis forward. There you go. Give me a nice good hard arch. Your legs come up. Keep my legs on your butt. I'm going to set that drogue chute thing. I'm going to come get your hands. You relax, have a good time. B's going to come right in front of us and start shooting some pictures and video. And we want it all documented good for your Army visit, right?
Yep.
Say, hey, I got to jump, dude. Anyway, we're going to free fall for about 45 seconds. At 6,000 feet, I'm going to grab your left hand, show you altimeter. That's the signal to you and her. It's time we're going to pull. You use back, grab that, give it a jerk forward, okay? Boom. Good job.
Okay, I'm going to go ready, set, and I'll put you down. Fully committed, huh? Yes. Just under 5,000 feet? Ready to do this? Yes. All right. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah, you fully committed.
I'm totally committed.
All right.
And Austin, I appreciate your service that you're going to be going into. Army will take care of you.
Absolutely. All right, buddy. I'll see you in the air. High five.
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step out, all it takes for me to touch the sky. So amazing, so liberating. 12,000 feet, AGL, so breathtaking. Belly down, box me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria, wish it could last forever. From this day on, nothing can stop us from getting back together.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. I love the sky, baby. 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 I love the sky, baby.
Thanks for sharing.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life.
Yeah, just like that.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life.
All right, buddy. How was it? Yeah? All right, high five. Welcome to the world of skydiving. Awesome flying with you.
Yeah, lots of fun with you too.
Absolutely. Let's get a few pictures of you two together.
All right.
Yeah. On 3, skydive. 1, 2, 3, skydive.
Skydive.
All right.
Okay, let me have your left hand.